Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming you have administrator rights and the exact Windows build. This matters because system tools vary by version. Once done, backup app data folders and export registry hives to avoid data loss. Make sure to note where each app came from: Microsoft Store, standalone installer, or portable, because the restoration method will differ. Now, open Settings and search for Apps and Features so you're ready for the next specific recovery steps. You'll now handle the middle, more detailed work. For Store apps, open Microsoft Store, go to Library, and reinstall from there. This preserves licensing. If you have installers, run them, choose Repair if available, then reinstall. That restores program files and registry entries. For system and built-in app corruption, run sfc/scano and dism restore health from an elevated prompt. These repair underlying Windows components. Make sure to reboot after each major change, so dependency. Finish by resetting any stubborn apps through Settings, Apps, Advanced Options. This clears app data and often fixes launch issues. Then, copy configuration and data back from your app data backup so preferences return. If an app still fails, create a fresh user profile and install the app there. This isolates corrupted user settings. One key troubleshooting tip: if all else fails, check Event Viewer for specific error codes, because those codes point to the root cause far faster than trial and error.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.